This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 018966691. Ranch style home near the lake. Fenced horse property with wash station and tack room. Large pool with outdoor bar and bathroom. This beautiful home features a wrap-around porch and western views of the lake. Inside you'll find an open floor plan with spacious rooms. Features include a breakfast bar, formal dining room, second living room, reclaimed wood floors, and 2 HVAC zones. Oversized 3-car garage and RV parking on the side. 6 miles from Sonora and Columbia and just minutes to Melones Lake and the Tuttletown Rec area and boat launch. For more information, review the details below or contact Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957.